Good morning, students. Today the exercise 6A is completed, I think, and next one is page number 45, that is word sums. So the first question given here is it is the only the example questions. The first one is find the greatest number that will divide 24 and 56 without leaving a remainder. In this case, we have to find out the HCF of that number that will be the greatest number. Okay. The greatest number that will divide 24 and 56 exactly is the greatest common divisor or HCF. In this case, it is they are find out the 24 and the HCF of 24 and 56, and here it is 8. HCF is 8. So in this from this example, we understand that the when we want to find out the greatest number without leaving a reminder, so we have to find out the HCF of the given number. So the first question given here is 6b. The first question given here is find the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 without leaving a remainder. So in this case, what we will do, that we have to find out the HCF of 54 and 81. After finding the prime factorization method, we have to find out the HCF is, we will get the HCF 27. So 27 is the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 without leaving a remainder. Okay. Second question is also the same. Find the greatest number that will divide 33, 44 and 66 exactly. So in this case, we have to find out it is the HCF of 33, 44 and 66. So the same it is the same question. So you have to find out HCF of 33, 44 and 66. So just you find out, try to find out yourself. Okay. And the second question is here is example given here is find the greatest number that divides 38 and 57 leaving 8 as remainder in each case. इसमें क्या बोला है, हम लोग को ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है किसका, 38 एंड 53, लेकिन उसमें रिमाइंडर बचेगा 8. ठीक है, रिमाइंडर का केस इसमें बोला गया है. सो इन दिस केस वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 8 from 38 and 8 from 53. So after subtracting these 8 from 38 and 53, we will get 38 minus 8. We will get 30. 53 minus 8, we will get 45. So after subtracting, we get the two numbers, that is 30 and 45. Now you have to find out the HCF of 30 and 45. So that will be the HCF will be the required number. So I have solved here the question. Now our second question given here is find the greatest number that divides 33 and 45 leaving 3 as remainder in each case. So in this case it is said that 3 as remainder. So we have to find out HCF of 33 minus 3, that is 30. 45 minus 3, that is 42. So we have to find out the HCF of which number, 30 and 42. Okay. So so after finding the HCF, we can find out that HCF of for 30 and 42 is 6. So the required number is 6. Okay. And then this B 2B also the same question. So try to do yourself. That is the question. 51 minus 9 and 79 minus 9, that is 70. Here it is 42. So you have to find out the HCF of 42 and 70, not 51 and 79. Okay. So आप ध्यान रखिएगा, 51 और 79 नंबर्स दिया हुआ है, उसमें बोला गया है आपको 9 एज रिमाइंडर इन ईच केस. तो आप लोगों को करना है 51 माइनस 9 42 एंड 79 माइनस 9 70. सो आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना, किसके HCF फाइंड आउट करना है, 42 और 70 के HCF फाइंड आउट करोगे, तब जो HCF आएगा वही इसका आंसर होगा. ओके. And moving to the next question, third question. Find the biggest number that divides 47, 77 and 89 leaving as the remainder 5 in each case. ठीक है, इसमें भी हम लोग को रिमाइंडर 5 दिया गया है, तो आप लोगों को करना है 47 माइनस 5 दैट इज 42, 77 माइनस 5 दैट इज 72, 89 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 84। आप लोगों को HCF फाइंड आउट करना है 42 का और 72 का और 84 का। ओके, जो HCF आएगा वही होगा इसका आंसर। ओके, थैंक यू। So you have to find complete exercise 6b. Today you have to complete exercise 6b 1 2 3 4. Okay, thank you.